Question number 6, part A. We need to solve this one. 8 by 17 plus 5 by 17, and we can take LCM as 17. So 8 plus 5, that is equal to 13 by 17. So this is answer. This is already in simplest form, so no further simplification is possible. Part B is 13 over 20 plus 11 by 20. So 20 is LCM. 13 plus 11, that is equal to 24 by 20, and we need to simplify this one. 4 5s are, and 4 6 are 24. This is 6 over 5. So this is improper form. We need to write in proper form because numerator is bigger than denominator. So this is improper. So if we divide 6 by 5, 1, that is equal to 1 whole 1 by 5. This is a simplified answer. Part C is 2 by 3 plus 5 by 9. So here we can make this 9. 3 into 3, 9, and 3 2 times 6 plus 5 by 9. Now the denominator same. This is the LCM. So 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11 over 9. This is again improper. Numerator is bigger. We need to make it in proper form. That is 9 ones are 9. 2, that is equal to 1 whole 2 by 9. So this is a mixed number. Part D, 4 by 6 plus 4 by 9. So we need to make the denominator of this one, that is that should be divisible by both the numbers. 18 is a number which is divisible by 6 as well as by 9. So we need to make the denominator as a 18. So multiply by 3, 18, and this is 12. And for this fraction we need to multiply by 2 this one, and as well as a numerator. This is 8. So now LCM is 18. 12 plus 8, that is equal to 20 over 18. We can simplify it dividing by 2. So this will be 9 and this will be 10 by dividing by 2, and similarly divided by 2. So now again this is improper. So whenever there is improper form, make it mixed number by dividing. 9 ones are 9. 1, that is 1 whole 1 by 9 is answer. Now part E, that is 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. So now the common number is 12. So make the 12 denominator 12 by 4 3s are 12 and 3 3s are 9, and multiply this fraction by 2, 12, and this is 10. Now 12 is LCM, and 9 plus 10, that is equal to 19 over 12, and 19 by 12, 1. This is 7. So that is equal to 1 whole 7 by 12. This is a answer. Now part F is 5 by 13 minus 2 by 13. So now denominator is same, so that is very simple. Just take LCM 13. So this will be 5 minus 2, and this is 3 by 13, and this is already in proper form, simplified form. This is the answer. Part G is 17 by 20 minus 8 by 20. Again denominator same, so this is very simple. 20, this will be 17 minus 8, that is equal to 9 by 20. So this is the answer. Similarly part number, now part H, this is 3 minus 2 by 3. So here only 3. We can write 3 by 1 if there is nothing, so denominator 1. So now make this denominator 3. So we will multiply 1 by 3. This will be 3. This will be 9 minus 2 by 3. So now denominator is same. 3. 9 minus 2, that is equal to 7 by 3. This is improper form. So 7 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6, 1 carry. So that is equal to 2 whole 1 by 3. So this is the answer. Now the question is part I, that is 1 by 2 minus 2 by 5. So both denominator are different, so we will multiply this fraction by 5 and this by 2. So 5 2s are 10 and 5 1s are 5 minus this fraction by 2. 5 2 times 10, 2 2s are 4. So 10 5 minus 4, that is equal to 1 by 10. This is answer. So last part, that is part J, last part of this question number 6. So this is 2 by 3 minus 1 by 7. So again different denominator, so we will multiply this fraction by 7, both denominator and numerator, and this one both numbers will be multiplied by 3. So this will be 21 and 14 multiplied by 7, and here multiply by 3. 21, 3 1s are 3. So 21 is LCM. 14 minus 3, that is 11 by 21. So this is the answer. So question number 7 here. Find value of each of the following. Leave each answer as a mixed number in its simplest form. So 1 whole 1 by 7 plus 2 whole 5 by 7. So first of all we need to see the denominator. So denominators of both the numbers are same. So we can easily write 7 as a LCM. And this 1 plus 2, when there is a denominator are same, we can write this whole number one time here. 1 plus 2, this is 3 whole number. So now 7, this is 1 plus 5, so that is equal to 3 whole number, 6 over 7. So this is the answer. Part B of this question, 1 whole 2 by 9 plus 8 by 9. So now denominator is same, that is LCM 9. Here this is 1 whole number. 2 plus 8, that is equal to 1 whole number, that is 10 over 9. And we need to make this in mixed number. 10 divided by 9, 1, 9, 1. This is one whole number. This one you can write plus here. This is one whole number, 1 by 9. One whole number 1 by 9. So this will be 1 plus 1, that is equal to 2 whole 1 by 9. So this is answer. Now part C of this question, 2 whole 8 by 15 plus 5 whole 7 by 15. We can write 2 plus 5 7 whole number. 15 is LCM, and this is 8 plus 7, that is equal to 7 whole number, that is 8 plus 7 15. 15 by 15. So this is 7, like 7 plus 15 by 15, that is 1, equal to 8. So 8 is answer. Now part D is 5 whole 2 by 5 plus 2 whole 3 by 10. So that is equal to, we need to make denominator same. So 5, this will be 5, multiply denominator and numerator by 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, plus 2 whole 3 by 10. We can write 5 plus 2 whole numbers, add whole number, that is 7. And this is LCM, 4 plus 3, that is equal to 7 whole 7 by 10. So this is answer. Now part E, 1 whole 4 by 15 plus 3 whole 2 by 5, that is equal to 1 whole 4 by 15, 3 whole, make denominator same, multiply by 3, 15, 3 2s are 6. Now we can write 15 as a LCM, 1 plus 3 as a whole number. So 4 plus 6, that is equal to 4 whole number, that is 10 over 15, and 2 5s are, 2 3s are, so 4 whole number 2 by 3. This is the answer. So part F is question number 7, part F, 1 whole 3 by 10 plus 5 by 6. Here we need to make the same denominator. So for this we have to multiply both the fractions, that is 1, this should be multiplied by 3, 30, and this is 9, and this one by 5 6 are 30, and 5 5 are 25. So this fraction by 5, and add this by 3. So now 1 whole 30 is LCM, 9 plus this is 25, that is equal to 1 whole 34 over 30. So 34 over 30, this is 1 whole, that is equal to, this is 1 plus 1 whole 4 by 30. This can be simplified now. 1 plus 1, 2 2s are 4, 2 15s are, that is equal to 2 by 15. So we can write 2 whole 2 by 15. This is answer. Now part G of this question, question number 7, 13 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 6. So we need to make here again denominator same. So this will be, make it 12, because 12 will be divisible by 4 and 6. 12 actually, that will be LCM. So make the 12, 4 3s are 12, and this is 39. Or I think it is better that make this also mixed number. This is 13 divided by 4. 4 3s are 12. So this is 3 whole number. We can write that is equal to 3 whole number 1 by 4 plus 1 whole 5 by 6. And now make this fraction equal 12. 4 3s are 12, 3 whole 12, and 3 1s are 3, plus this fraction multiplied by 2. 6 2s are 12 and 2 5s are 10. So now this is LCM, same number, and this is 12. 3 plus 1 whole numbers are 4 whole number, and this will be 3 plus 10, that is equal to 4 whole 13 by 12, and 13 by 12 is, this is actually improper form, so 12 ones are 12, 1. So that is equal to 4 plus 1 whole 1 by 12. We can write 5 whole 1 by 12. Now part H is 3 whole 5 by 7 plus 9 by 11. So 3 whole, what will be the LCM of 7 and 11? Actually, for we make the denominator same, we have to multiply this fraction by 11 and this by 7. So multiply by 11, 77, and 55, plus multiply by 7, 77, 63. So this will be equal to 3 whole and 77. This is 55 plus 63, that is equal to 3 whole. So 55 63, this is 8, and 6 plus 5, that is 11 over 77. So 118 divided by 77, 177, this is 1, this is 4. So this will be 3 plus 1 whole 41 over 77. So that will be equal to 4 whole 41 over 77. This is answer.